Intuitiveness is experiencing, adopting, and being able to use a product instinctively. The first experience with Archicad 19 displays an improved work environment, a framework for great productivity. Adopting daily repetitive annotation tasks are easier and faster than ever, thanks to instinctive dimensioning and labeling enhancements. Archicad 19 provides major work environment improvements for both Apple Mac as well as Microsoft Windows platforms. Archicad 19 introduces the tab bar, familiar from web browsers, for navigating multiple viewpoints. The tab bar allows faster switching among all frequently used views, like the floor plan, sections, elevations, as well as 3D windows. Designers may access various project views almost instantly in an organized manner, thanks to the tab bar. Since most of our time is spent in these views, the greatest work environment factor is real estate. Archicad 19 is able to maximize your workspace by implementing the unified single-window interface that also supports full screen mode, as well as by using the navigator in drop-down mode. Switching through the tab bar, resizing a unified interface, accessing the project's file path from the header, or using the navigator in drop-down mode to maximize screen area, all add up to make Archicad 19 feel like the most natural BIM application on the Mac and PC. Archicad 19 aims to ensure daily repetitive annotation tasks are clutter-free with minimal manual adjustment needed, in order to support fast, creative design. A new controllable placement method of dimension text is introduced to help automatic placement of text, for example, underneath dimension lines. Pointers for dimension text help dimension narrow structures close to each other by automatically adding pointers when repositioning dimension texts. More flexible editing by the splitting of dimension lines is also supported with a single click. Archicad now handles fully automated multi-line dimensions. Associative dimensioning of story-level lines on sections and elevations means one-step completion and updates of story-level dimensions. Witness lines with no overhang can also be used to help match specific strictly regulated country and office standards. Multiple labels for a single element can be added, for example to show both the fire rating and the ID for the same wall. Just as dimensions, labels can be repositioned and aligned with minimal effort. Easier label placement is ensured by graphical feedback regarding its position. Curtain wall sub-elements can be labeled directly, even using associative labels without pointers. Thanks to these innovations, architects will save a considerable amount of time, providing a smoother workflow and allowing focus on design.